I know you probably be creating videos already for your business, but you should learn how to create videos that once people see it in the very first 5 seconds of your video, they would want to watch to the end. Now watch this. We are two, right? Hey. And also watch this. We are three of us. Now for people to see videos like this, they'll want to watch to the end. This masterclass is going to be holding on the 13th of February 2021 on site. Yes, that means it will hold in Yaba, Lagos. Of course, the exact venue will be disclosed to you once you sign up. And then from the 15th down to the 20th, we will continue the masterclass online. So it is for everybody, whether you're based in Lagos or anywhere in the world. If you want to create content that will get people to watch your videos no matter how long to the end, then don't miss smartphone videography. Look at all that we are going to be teaching you. Me, him, and me. Yeah, of course, him. And 3 of us, we are Frederick. We are going to teach you not just how to start your... we are not just going to teach you smartphone videography, but you will also be learning how to start a business as a smartphone videographer. You've heard that, right? So click the link down below to sign up for this masterclass. And hey, if you are able to refer a friend of yours to sign up for this class, you are getting 1,000 Naira discount. It's an awesome opportunity, right? Jump on it right now, sign up, find a friend to sign up, and once you get us to know that your friend just signed up, we are giving you back 1,000 Naira. And guess what? What if you're able to invite 10 persons to sign up for this masterclass? You are getting it for free. You can do that, right? So let's jump on it, and I will see you on the 13th of February in Yaba, Lagos.